Hello everybody, good afternoon students. I am your math teacher and today for class 5 we are going to read about types of angle. Okay, class 5 student, are you all ready? Okay. In previous class, we read about angle. Yes, what is angle and what is the vertex of angle? Its arms. Okay, and the measurement of angles. We read about it. Okay, and today we are going to read the types of angles. Okay. Okay. Look, students. According to the size, the angles they are in 6 types. Okay, first is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, a complete turn angle. Okay, and now we are going to learn about it. What is acute angle? Okay, how to recognize acute angle? How we know this angle is acute angle? Okay, so let's learn acute angle. Acute angle means the angle whose measurement is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Okay? Okay. This is acute angle. Okay? Its measurement is less than 90 degree. You know 90 degree? Yes? Yes. This type of angle, this is 90 degree. Yes? And less than this 90 degree. This angle is acute angle. Okay? This angle also acute angle. Okay? This also acute angle. Understand? Less than 90 degree. The angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree, they are called acute angle. Okay, students? Understand? Acute angle means? Okay. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Okay? And examples 10 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 89 degree, yes, 65 degree, 78 degree, like this. Yes, they are the acute angle. Look, this all angle they are less than 90 degree. So these all angle are called acute angle. Understand? And right angle. What is right angle? Okay. Exactly 90 degree. Yes? The angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree, that is called right angle. Okay? Its example is only one, that is 90 degree. Okay? Yes, like this. This is the 90 degree angle in figure. Okay? So, it is called right angle. Okay, now next angle, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Okay, obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, the angle whose measurement is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, they are called obtuse angle. Okay. Yes. This straight line, it is 180 degree. Yes. And this is a 90 degree. Yes. Before this 90 degree, all angle, they are acute angle. Yes. And after this 90 degree angle, this angle is obtuse angle. Yes. This angle also obtuse angle. Yes. This angle also obtuse angle. Understand, people? Okay. Greater than 90 degree. Okay. This type angle. They are obtuse angle. 90 degree will be here. Yes, 90 degree will be here. Okay, this is 90 degree and this is more than 90 degree. Yes, this angle is more than 90 degree. And look, this is 180 degree. This is less than 180 degree. Yes. So this is obtuse angle. Once again, greater than 90 degree, the angle whose measurement is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, they are obtuse angle. For example, how many degrees we can write here? For example, above 90, it means 91 degree. Yes, 100 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree. Can we write here 180 degree? No. Yes, we say here less than 180 degree. It means that up to 179 degree. Yes, all they are the example of obtuse angle. Understand, students? Okay, we have to write in obtuse angle greater than 90 degree means 91, from 91 degree up to 179 degree. We can't write here 180 degree. Okay? In the definition of obtuse angle, there we say less than 180 degree. So there must be up to 179 degree. So all they are the obtuse angle. And next angle is straight angle. Straight angle means whose measurement is exactly 180 degree. Exactly 180 degree. Its example is only 180 degree. Not 179, not 181. Yes, it should be only one, that is 180 degree. And its figure is straight. Yes, this is 180 degree. Okay? Yes. Right angle also only one, 90 degree, and straight angle also only one, that is 180 degree. Now we are in reflex angle. What is reflex angle? Okay, how we know they are reflex angle? So its definition says greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Yes, the angle whose measurements are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, they are called reflex angle. The angle whose measurements are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, they are called reflex angle. Okay, look in figure. Yes, this is 180 degree. Yes. Yes, this is 180 degree. We have to draw the angles greater than 180. It means like this. From here, it started up to here. This is reflex angle. Look, this also reflex angle. This is 180 more than 180 degree. Like this, we have to draw. This also greater than 180 degree. So this is reflex angle. Okay. This angle also greater than 180 degree. So it is also what? Reflex angle. Understand? So what are the example of reflex angle? Can you tell me? Yes? Okay. Greater than 181. It means 180, then 181 degree. Greater than 180, then we can write here 181 degree is a reflex angle. Yes? Good. And 190 degree, 200 degree, you have to look 360. Below 360, yes? Less than 360. 200, 250 degree, 300 degree, 320 degree, 330 degree, 355 degree. Can we write here 360 degree? No. Yes? Yes, reflex angle says Yes, whose measurement are greater than 180 and less than 360 degrees. So they are the reflex angle. And last, it is given a complete turn angle. I think this is not given you in your book, but also we have to learn about it. A complete turn angle means exactly 360 degree. The angle whose measurement is exactly 360 degree, that is called what? A complete turn angle. Okay? Yes. Yes. Look. Right angle. Yes. And it goes ahead, then this is the straight angle, and it turns again, then it comes in the 0 point again. Okay, here in the same point 0, it complete a turn. Yes, it's starting from 0 and turning, and it complete one turn, then it makes 360 degree. It is called a complete turn angle. Okay, this is a complete turn angles figure. Okay, dear students, again acute angle less than 90 degree. Yes, whose measurement are less than 90 degree, they are called acute angle. And right angle, second angle is right angle, whose measurement is exactly 90 degree, they are called right angle. Okay, and third angle is obtuse angle. Yes, what says obtuse angle? Obtuse angle says whose measurement is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, they are called obtuse angle. And straight angle, what says straight angle? Straight angle means exactly 180 degree, whose measurement is exactly 180 degree, they are called the straight angle. Okay, and next is reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle says whose measurement is greater than 180 degree and less than 360, they are called reflex angle. And these are the example of reflex angle, and you can write more examples also here. And last is a complete turn angle. A complete turn angle means the measurement whose measurement is exactly 360 degree. Okay, students, we have 6 types of angle according to their size. Okay, we complete it. I am sure you understand. If you have any confusion, then you can look in your book also in page number 8 and 9. There is given, yes, with the figures and examples. You can look there. And again, then if you have any confusion again, then you can ask me, and you have to do your homeworks. In exercise 1.1, yes, in exercise 1.1, I think question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, I have given you, no, up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have given you homework in previous class. And question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, you have to complete it, okay, as your homework. And if you have any confusion, then you can ask me. Your homework is page number 11, question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. If you have any confusion while writing your homework, then you can ask me, and again we will meet in our next class. Okay, thank you class.